Hi guys, just a short video here to show you our premium grade laptop. This has been completely restored to like new condition. The first part of the video here is demonstrating the palm rest that's been completely restored. As you can see, no shine, no marks. Also, the keyboard here has been completely restored. As the video continues, you'll then see the close-up of the lid. Here you can see the close-up of the lid that's been completely restored as well. No marks, fantastic condition. Hope you like it. And here you can see the finished article. Absolutely fantastic condition. The premium grade is the creme de la creme when it comes to our refurb processes. You can see it's like new. Our premium grade laptops come with a full 12 months warranty. So if you're liking this or want more information, contact us.